Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video I will show you that how you can make consistent characters in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Discord server and here in the Midjourney you will have to type /imagine and you can just press the tab button and it will automatically do it for you. Now here while typing in the prompt you will have to keep in mind a few things that I will let you know in a while. So let's suppose I want to create a shark character. So let's type in baby shark. And to separate the prompts, you will have to add comma. So let's add comma and then type in wearing hoodie, no comma and add space. And now is the most important part. Now what I'm going to paste here is the most important thing. You can see here it says multiple poses and expression. This will ask Midjourney to make multiple poses for the same character and in multiple expressions. And if you want 100% white background, you can just type in that. And you may also want to type this 3D model. So it will create it in 3D look. Now let's add a comma and add detail about your character. Let's suppose I want it to wear red hat wearing golden chain. Now what you will have to type is dash dash no and then space outline. So a dash dash means that dash dash no means whatever you type after dash dash no will not be included in your image. So outline will not be added into our image. And here you can see our consistent characters has been created and they are amazing. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.